Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, we talking about Amazon Mturk. Alright, now there's been a lot of videos floating around talking about how you can earn over $100 a day with Amazon Mturk. Now we're gonna get to the bottom of this and we're gonna expose the truth when it comes to Amazon Mturk. Now, I've heard of Amazon Mturk many years ago. I actually joined them probably at least 8-9 years ago. So that's how long this site has been around. Now, if you're not familiar with what Amazon Mturk is, it's basically a micro gig site that is, I don't want to say owned, but like created by Amazon. So they are connected, right? The big time Amazon, right? They have a little side micro gig platform for people looking to earn some extra money. Now, this is actually good for businesses. It's probably even more beneficial for if you have a business and you need different little jobs done, you could go to Amazon Mturk as well. But I'm sure you watching this video, you want to make money, right, with Mturk. So is it possible to actually make $100 a day doing micro gig jobs on Mturk? And in my opinion, absolutely not. All right, like it's just not realistic, right? Unless there is some crazy ass hack that, if it is a hack, you're probably gonna get suspended, right? Your account probably gonna get shut down if there's any way that you can actually earn $100 a day with Mturk. And I'm gonna tell you why. You see, even though it is super easy to get signed up with Amazon Mturk and start doing jobs, here's the problem, all right? Most of the jobs on Mturk are very, very low paying, right? So you're looking at some of the tasks that they have you do are literally, you earn 1 cent, 1 penny for doing a task. Some tasks you get 3 cents. Some tasks you might get 10 cents, right? Now, granted, like these tasks are very, very minimal. It might take you, 20 seconds to do, right? But you're only gonna get, 2 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent to do these tasks. And yes, you might be thinking, well, that's cool, bruh. I got a few hours. I could just run through a whole bunch of tasks really quick and, and earn some cash. Yeah, you could do that. But there's one more problem with that. A lot of the micro gigs on Mturk, they have a certain amount that needs to be filled. For example, if there is a job on there that says, oh, take this survey, earn, 3 cents for answering some questions, guess what? It might only be, 200 spots for that, 200 surveys available. And if you're not in that group, guess what? You're not even gonna be able to do that job. So your ass just missed out on a clean 3 cents because the survey is filled up, right? So another side of it is, okay, now let's be real, right? I'm gonna keep it real, I'm gonna be honest. There are higher paying gigs on Amazon Mturk. Let's be real. But here's the thing, like these jobs, if you're lucky, you might get a $1 job, right? You might even mess around and get a $5, but then at that point, you're doing big things at that point, right? But if you do see a $5 gig on there, or even $1, guess what? That gig is gonna be way more time consuming than the 1 cent, 3 cent gig, right? So even though you're like, oh damn, oh shit, I see $1, I did $1 gig. Okay, now it might take you 20 minutes to complete that gig. All right, so keep that in mind. So most people that I see interact with Amazon Mturk, they average, maybe $5 a day, maybe, like $6 a day, maybe. So in my opinion, like if you can get $100 in a month from Amazon Mturk, I would consider it, you doing pretty good on that website. Because once you mix the fact that, gigs are very low paying, plus, there's not guaranteed gigs, like you're not earning $100 a day from Amazon Mturk. Because even when I signed up for it years ago, it was on the same shit. It was literally like, I think I probably earned like 35 cents from Amazon Mturk, right? And that's probably why, you know, I don't do it. But hey, this is just my opinion, my take on Amazon Mturk. To me, there's a million other things that you can do to earn some money online. And one of the ways that you can start actually earning some extra cash today is by joining Nexus Rewards. If you've never heard of Nexus Rewards, click that first link in the description and check it out right now.